From the slopes to the single track to the shop, Durango's Gary Provencher sure has loved the ride.
The ski shop's over here and the bike shop's over here. I'm Gary Provencher, owner of Second Avenue Sports, and this is our new project.
A fixture since 2003, when faced with moving, he wasn't sure how to handle the rough trail ahead.
Like, oh, you didn't hear the building sold? And I was like, oh my God, what do you mean a building sold? And I thought we were done for. I was like, oh man, my whole life is about to change. We started as a store called Second Gear, and it was all consignment stuff. It was a mess, but it was fun. We've rented this building for 10 years, and it was recently sold to First Southwest Bank, and they decided they didn't need the whole property, so they split it into two and sold us half of it.
The new 3-story building should be done in January and will be a home to a bare bones 8,500 square feet of shop, bikes, skis, boards, and everything to go with it.
When you go upstairs, it'll be, every square inch of the upstairs will be bikes.
Provencher says he's relieved that a Second Ave Sports finally has a permanent home.
It feels good to have a place to put our business.
It doesn't take long to notice this guy found his dream job, a labor of love, and he hasn't worked a day since.
It's fun. It's like every day I go to work, I tell myself or I tell people that it beats working. It's great. We ride bikes, we ski, we have a great time with each other.
I'm Brandon Mathis in the neighborhood, fourcornerstv.com.